What's up, everybody? So today I'm going on a little adventure. I've been having my car for about, I'm gonna say 6 years now, and every car I've owned has been a used car. So today, oh, it's bright out here. I'm gonna look into possibly getting me a brand new car. So this is my current car, my Escape. I think it's time for me to upgrade, but we're gonna go on this little adventure. So, like, I'm going on this journey about getting a new vehicle. I've become so content with not having a note because my truck is currently paid off that I don't know what to do with myself, to think that, oh my God, it's another bill, but at the same time, it's something that I really want. So, I don't know. I think I'm just gonna go for it, you know? I deserve this. I work hard. I didn't move 2 states in the last 2 years, working, not being able to be home with friends and family, missing all kind of stuff. So I think being able to treat myself with a brand new vehicle is a good idea. Don't y'all think that too? So I'm here at Nissan, just pulled up, parking. About to go test drive the car or the SUV that I'm interested in, and then we'll see what happens. Stay tuned. Oh my God, it's hot out here. So I just got home, and as you can see, I have a new car. So I'm gonna show you all everything about my new baby. So I got a Nissan Kicks 2018 from Nissan. Yeah, this is the SR. So they have the S, the SV, and then the SR. So this is a view. Some nice wheels on there. They cleaned it up for me. It's really nice. I'm sure you guys the inside. So this is my trunk space. Make sure I'm not zoomed in. What is cool about this is that I can, so my insides are black and orange. This is the back seat. Black and orange interior. Trunk space. And we're gonna get up here to the inside. Got the orange stitching on my steering wheel as well. Cut her on, push start. So what I like about this, let me close the door because it's giving me the sensor. So this screen, I can customize it.
Yeah, that way.
Listen to me, goes. I can have different screens. Which is really cool. Same thing with this. I can hook my phone up and get my phone screen on here, but I don't have my cord plugged in right now for that screen to come up. Let's see what else. So I have my backup camera, and I have a 360 camera where I can see all the way around my car, which is real cool. Because I know most cars have backup cameras. Not a lot of cars where you can see your entire car. So that's a cool feature. I'll just click off of that. I also have the sensor, so if I'm trying to get over, somebody's on the side of me, it will alert me, which is cool. I'm gonna get out. I'm actually gonna cut it off. Have the side mirrors, the blinkers. I thought it was paper on there, but it's not. So you will be able to see my blinkers from the side. This is the front view. Got LCD lights, which I'm gonna cut on. So it's hard to tell during the daytime, but yeah, I have some nice lights. And one thing I'm happy about, since I'm in Ohio and it does get cold in the winter. Let's see, can I do it? I don't know if I can do it, you guys. Okay, I can't figure out this feature, but I do have push to start, and I'm gonna figure out at some point how to do this. He told me to hit lock twice and hold down the start button, but I can't do it. So anyway, it does have push to start, and eventually I will figure out how to do that. But oh well, I'm not tripping. I'm not tripping. I will at some point figure that feature out, how to start this mug without having to get in the car. Hopefully I figure that out this summer before winter comes around and I still don't know how to fucking start the car. But I will figure that out. But I really like it. I've never had a brand new car before. Every car, I've had 3 other cars and they all were used. So it's cool to have something brand new that nobody else has had. Only has 7 miles on it. So yeah, I don't know what I should name her or him. I don't know. Is my car female or male? One thing I know I am going to do is I'm gonna go find somewhere here in Ohio that doesn't charge an arm and a leg to get my windows tinted, because I can't deal with not having tinted windows. Because people staring at me at lights, because I like to sing and snap at lights and stuff. I don't need people looking at me. So we're definitely gonna have to get that done. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm excited about my new car. I'll do another video when I go find somewhere to get my windows tinted, so I can show y'all how it looks with my all black. But until then, I'll see you guys later. Bye, YouTube.